Satellites orbiting the Earth are artificial objects placed in space that revolve around the Earth in a specific path called an orbit. These satellites can be classified into different types based on their altitude and the purpose they serve. Some of the most common types of satellite orbits are 1. Low Earth orbit, LEO. These satellites orbit the Earth at an altitude of around 160 to 2,000 kilometers. They are commonly used for Earth observation, remote sensing, and scientific research. 2. Medium Earth orbit, MEO. These satellites orbit at an altitude of around 2,000 to 36,000 kilometers. They are primarily used for navigation and communication purposes. 3. Geostationary orbit, GEO. Satellites in this orbit are positioned at a height of around 36,000 kilometers above the equator, and they revolve around the Earth at the same rate as the Earth's rotation. They are commonly used for communication, broadcasting, and weather forecasting. 4. Highly elliptical orbit, HEO. Satellites in this orbit have a high eccentricity, meaning their orbit is elongated, and they spend most of their time far from the Earth's surface. They are primarily used for communication, surveillance, and scientific research. 5. Sun-synchronous orbit, SSO. These satellites orbit the Earth at a height of around 600 to 800 kilometers and cross the equator at the same local solar time each day. They are commonly used for Earth observation, remote sensing, and environmental monitoring. By May 1, 2022, the Union of Concerned Scientists recorded 5,465 active satellites in various Earth orbits. A deeper dive into these numbers reveals how small satellites have come to dominate Earth orbit. This list is not so surprising, as these countries have long been part of the space age and are home to many commercial satellite companies. Remarkable things, however, are happening at the other end of the list. At the turn of the 21st century, only 14 nations operated satellites. Within the past 2 decades, satellites from 91 new spacefaring countries reached orbit. Subscribe to our channel for more content.